What if the path to healing and unity, after decades of conflict and human rights violations, lies in a process of truth-telling and reconciliation? The concept may seem abstract, but in the context of Jammu and Kashmir, it's a tangible prospect. Today, we delve into the fascinating topic of the proposed Truth and Reconciliation Commission in this region, a pivotal step towards peace and harmony. The story begins in the 1980s, a turbulent period for Jammu and Kashmir. Both state and non-state actors were accused of perpetrating human rights violations, leading to a generation growing up with feelings of distrust. Justice Kaul, a key advocate for the commission, emphasized the urgent need for this body, stating, "Before memory escapes, we owe the greatest duty of reparation to this generation." The Commission's aim isn't to act as a criminal court, but rather to follow a humanized and personalized process. It aims to provide a platform for people to share their experiences, fostering dialogue and understanding. This reparative approach seeks to heal the wounds of the past and facilitate forgiveness, ultimately forming the basis of a shared national identity. The intricacies surrounding the Commission are intertwined with the historical and constitutional context of Article 370. This article recognized the internal sovereignty of Jammu and Kashmir, serving as a temporary provision until the full integration of the state into India. The President of India had the power to end this temporary arrangement and thus apply the Constitution of India in its entirety to Jammu and Kashmir. However, the dissolution of the State Constituent Assembly didn't affect the President's power under Article 370. The President could exercise their power any time after the dissolution, aligning with the aim of full integration. Thus, the issuance of CO 273, which declared that Article 370 shall cease to operate except as provided, was deemed valid. Despite the complexities, the central idea remains: the Truth and Reconciliation Commission represents a unique opportunity for healing in Jammu and Kashmir. By investigating human rights violations, facilitating dialogue, and fostering forgiveness, the Commission aims to rebuild trust and unity. In conclusion, the proposed Truth and Reconciliation Commission in Jammu and Kashmir is a testament to the power of dialogue and understanding in healing the wounds of the past. With its humanized approach and focus on reparation, it represents a beacon of hope for a shared national identity and a peaceful future.